Okay, let's start. So, in the last two classes, we discussed about what is computer network security and some properties of network security, right? What are the properties of network security? We discussed in last class. Can you tell me? Further, tell me. I'm waiting for your response. What are the properties we learned in the last class? Network security properties. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
What are the properties?
Confusion,
Yes.
integrity, availability,
Okay. Another one.
yes, sir. Sir, your
Confidentiality,
voice is not clear.
confidentiality, availability, and what is the third one?
The
Integrity. Okay.
integrity.
Okay. Good. So today we will start with triple A. A. Okay. What is this triple A properties? So class A is nothing but authentication. We already discussed what is the meaning of authentication in the last class, right? I think you remember that one. Authentication is nothing but allowing authorized person to access the information. Okay, so unauthorized person will not allow. Authorized person will allow to access the information. Then authorization. What's the mean by authorization? It's providing proper access right. That means who will use which properties of the system. So it's depend on the network administrator. So he will give some authorization. For example, privilege, admin privilege, user privilege, some other privilege. So it's depend upon the network administrator who will give the privilege to their users. There is nothing but access right. You can say privilege or access right to the user based on their works or tasks. For example, manager will get the manager will access right, then the clerk will get some other access. This depend upon the administrator how and to whom will give the right. And last one is accounting. Accounting is nothing but keep records. You can think keep records. Whatever you do in the networks, you have to store somewhere. That means you have to maintain some log file. So it is the process of keeping the logs of all activity on the C2 network.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, आपका voice तो clear नहीं हुआ.
Network.
मैंने काटी काटी आई से.
बुझी पाइছে না কোন এক 3A. Should I repeat again?
नहीं हुआ sir मुझे.
Okay. So we are discussing 3A properties. First one is authentication. Is it okay now? Authentication,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
authorization and accounting. Authorization means allowing authorized person to access the information. Only authorized person can access the information.
Sir, आपको काटी गई sir.
Only authorized person can access the information. It's clear? Authorization means we are only allowing authorized person to access the information. Then next is authorization. Authorization is nothing but giving some access right, giving some privileges in an organization. There may be lots of users, but we are not giving same access right to everyone. We are separating the duties of each and every individual. Okay, so that is nothing but authorization process. Is it clear now?
Sir, waiting out
Mhm.
কেইটামান আছে ৱেইটিঙত আছে বোলে সোমাবলে পৰা নাই
এটা হে আছে, অকমান নিমন্ত্ৰণ।
হয়
Authentication and authorization is clear to you. Authentication is nothing but
yes sir
allowing authorized person. Authorization is nothing but giving some access right. And last one is accounting. Whatever you did in the networks, you have to put all the records. Okay, for example, if you type something in the Google, so Google are taking some record what you type on Google, what you are searching today or yesterday, everything they will keep records. So you I think know about cookies of the web browser. Heard about cookies? Have you heard about the cookies? Okay, cookies nothing but they are keeping some records, whatever you access. Okay, so it is the process of keeping the logs of all activities on a secure network. Is it clear? Triple A? It's clear.
sir একাউণ্টিংটো আকৌ পৰা কৈ দিয়ক না
Okay, accounting is nothing but keeping the records. That means whatever you did or whatever you're doing on the networks, all the tasks have to be stored somewhere. So in the computer networks, they will store all the records in a log. Log is nothing but you can think as a notebook. Okay, so they are storing all the records
yes sir
on a log.
লগিন ইনফরমেশন না
Yeah, whatever login or if you search something in the Google or search using some website, whatever you use, what
yes sir
website you
search
use, so
history
everything will be stored. A search history you can say search history will get there is a cookies file is in web browser, so they will store all these
yes
things. Okay, is it clear?
yes
So
sir
this three is clear. 3A is clear
yes
to
sir
you. So earlier we learned CIA
yes sir
and today we learn triple A, authentication,
3A
authorization, and accounting.
authorization account
Okay.
yes sir
Why less people today? Only five, six. They attend the previous classes or others. This is already we have discussed, right? Advanced encryption standard is nothing but a encryption techniques. So you learn these things in the cryptography subject also in the last semester. And backdoors that already we have discussed. Breaking the security rules is not is called backdoor. That means all the viruses, all the other attackers, hackers, all come under backdoor. Okay, as security threat is also some hazard, that means they are trying to damage the security policy. So can you tell me this answer? The process of converting plain text into unknown text is called which one? Option A, B, C, D.
Cryptography.
Okay. So define authentication,
Crypto.
authorization, accounting. It's already we have discussed. And last one, the technique used to access confidential information by breaking the security rules. Which one? Third, third question answer. The technique used to access confidential information by breaking the security rule of the networks. Which one? Can you guess? No idea? Backdoor. Just read down here. The backdoor. If you can see this one. Backdoor. These are techniques used to access confidential information by breaking the security rule of the networks. Yes. Next is network security applications. Network security application. So what are the applications used in network security to secure our networks? Okay. So one of the application is Kerberos. Kerberos. Then secure socket layer SSL. You can call it SSL or transport layer security LS. Transport layer security. Then email security, and then IP security. These are the these are some of the applications used to secure our network. Okay, these are the some of the applications used to secure our network. Also secure socket layer or transport layer security, email security, and IP security. What is also? So it is nothing but it's work between a client and the server. Okay, in the figure you can see this is the purpose of application. So we act as an intermediate trusted arbitrator will provide security to the various hosts. Here this is the client and this is the server. If we can consider this is a server, this is a client, it will work between this client and the server. and will give the security among these two hosts. Is it clear? Barbie?
Sir,
Is it clear? What is corpuscle?
sir, আপোনাৰ ভইচটো যে ক্লিয়াৰে অহা নাই এতিয়াও ভালকে।
এতিয়া শুনা পাইছা নাই? What is corpuscle? Corpuscle is act as an
এতিয়া আহিছে।
intermediator. লাহে লাহে কৈ আছো তোমাক, ৰিপিটে কৰি আছো।
sir.
Corpuscle act as an intermediator will provide security between the two hosts. So in the figure you can see this is a server and this is your client. So in between the server and client, this application is working to keep the security of this host, the server and the client. Okay, so it is done in intermediate trusted arbitrator, right? Will provide security between various hosts in the network.
Sir,
If
arbitrator মানে কিনো?
arbitrator means he receive if whatever the host sent, he will take this data and he will pass to server. Arbitrator মানে তোমাৰ হেৰি ক'ব পৰা তুমি ফ্ৰেন্সত কথা পাতি আছা কোনোবা ইংলিছ জানে সেই ফ্ৰেন্স বুজি নাপায় চ' মাজত তুমি কোনোবা এটা ৰাখি ইণ্টাৰমিডিয়েট ৰাখি তুমি ফ্ৰেন্সটো ইংলিছত ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰি দিয়া এইফালে ইংলিছত যিটো ক'ব ফ্ৰেন্সত ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰি দিয়া সেই মাজৰ কাম কৰা মানুহটোৱে আৰু গম পাইছা
Sir,
ওকে তো ইয়াতে দেখাইছে চোৱা চাৰ্ভাৰ অথেণ্টিকেশ্যন চাৰ্ভাৰৰ পৰা ডাটা যাব ডাটাবেছত চ' সেই ডাটাবেছৰ পৰা ক্লাইণ্টৰ তাতে যাব হয় এই ডাইগ্ৰামটো চাইছোঁ so this all is done by this serverless application next is secure socket layer or transport layer security secure socket layer or transport layer security so what they will do this is another application okay and it is used for maintaining encryption channels this they will do what they will encrypt the channel between the server web server and the web browser whatever you are typing on the browser suppose you are typing google.com and you are searching something should that data will be encrypted using this SSL or TCP communication channel. Okay, so if somebody is trying to capture those data, he will not get in the plain text. He will get it in a cyber text, not in the plain text, because that SSL or TCP, no, sorry, it is wrong. Not TCP, this should be TLS. Okay, here it's written wrongly. TLS stands for layer security. So this TSSL slash TLS will encrypt the information type in the web browser and will send it to the web server. Same way, when it's coming from the web server to the browser, again you will decrypt. Whatever you're typing, that will be encrypted, and whatever data will send from the web server to the web browser, it will be decrypted. So the web server will receive cybertext and the web browser will receive the plain text. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the techniques is techniques will encrypt the channel. Okay. We'll discuss these things again later on in details what is necessary PSL. Okay. So there are two types of threat they are mentioning here: location type threat and type. One is type threat and one is location. Server client or network traffics and passive and active attack. So that means three is again classified into two categories based on location and based on type. So based on location is nothing but we are talking about the server or client or in the network traffic. Network traffic means in the channel itself. Server or client means that in the host, both side host, sender side or in the receiver side or in the communication channel. Network traffic means in the communication channel. And we are talking about the types passive attacks or active attack. What is passive attack? Any idea? What is passive attack in computer networks? Passive attack in network security learn and active attack. There are two types of attack.
Sir, here the information is gained, mm, not changed.
Not clear voice. Again repeat. Repeat it. Also, in what? What's passive and what is active attack?
Sir, in passive attack, the information is gained, but the data is not changed. But in active case, the attackers modify the content of the information or the message,
Okay,
whereas in passive, only they copy them. But
that means the receiver and the sender will not aware of what's happening. Okay, so in
yes, sir.
passive attack, the data will be maybe as it is, but somebody in between they read the contents and send it again. That means they will not modify anything. But in active attack, sender and the receiver would be known that somebody alter the message or somebody capture the message in. Which one is more dangerous? Passive or active?
Uh, active.
Active according to Barbie active and rest. कितना है? Five, five. Himanshu, Border, Himanshu, Konika, tell me everyone, which one is dangerous attack according to you? According to Barbie, he's telling active is more dangerous than passive. First thing you tell me, passive active is clear to you. If clear, tell me which one is more dangerous.
Yes.
On the U active test, Border, Konika, Himanshu, I need six answer. And that is your attendance because I'm waiting for the response. No one is active, but we all are passive. Only Barbie will get the attendance. Somebody write it. Active is yes sir, what is sir? I'm asking active is more dangerous or passive is more dangerous. If that concept is clear, I'm repeating active, inactive attack, no modification done, but somebody captured data, your data. Whatever you send, that will be received by the receiver as it is. That is your passive attack. But in between, somebody is captured your data. But in active attack, whatever you are sending, the receiver will not get as it is. That means in between, somebody alter your data. Now my question is, which one is more dangerous according to you?
Sir, active attack.
Active attack. Computer also active, body also active, somebody fully also active, three active, and rest four or three. That means here I don't know who are active or who are passive. Just I came to know Barbie, Monica, and one Nandoli. These are the three person active here. I don't know whether the other three person are in the line or they are doing some other works. So now tell me which one is more dangerous. Only three person is active now. Rest three I don't know what are they are doing, but I will give the attendance. If I will give the attendance of them, if somebody claim they are not in the class because they don't know about what is active, what is passive, what who taught in today's class, but I will give the attendance. Now tell me which one is more dangerous. Still you are writing active. Himanshu just active. Okay? But earlier who was he may be somewhere doing some murder. Okay, he may do some other crime also. Okay, Okay, but he is logging in my computer, but I don't know what he is doing at that time. Now tell me, Himanshu is more dangerous or Barbie is more dangerous? Because Barbie is with me all the time. Because she's answering on the question. So he's all the time active with me. But those who are not answering anything, I consider them passive. Now tell me, those person is more dangerous for me or Barbie? Barbie is active. Those who are not answering, they are passive. Again, I am waiting for response. Hmm. Active is more dangerous. Why? What basis you are telling active is more dangerous? Explain. माइक है कि नहीं तुम लोग के सब तो माइक ऑन है बोलो वो से बोलो
Sir, because in active the data are modified, and for which we will have a great loss. If the data is modified, and then we will get some wrong information later.
okay who taught this or you learn by
Barbie.
but okay no and
Hmm?
from where you learn this concept that active is
Sir,
more dangerous or
earlier this
but
topics
or
was there, na?
okay that's why I'm asking last time I think VMM taught it
Yes, sir.
okay so she did one mistake and I later on I know that he did that mistake she told me also that's why I'm asking this so that concept is wrong okay what you learned in last semester about active and
Yes.
passive attack so she thought wrongly okay later she also came to know but she forgot to tell you maybe okay so I'm here to correct you why passive is most dangerous so according to me and according to all networks persons passive is more dangerous because suppose you are sending a pin number so some message to me okay all of you are listening
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes,
remember
sir.
you are sending a pin number to me okay all are active now सब लोग सुन रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या सेंड किया तुम लोग ने
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
क्या सेंड किया पिन नंबर बैंक का पिन नंबर तो मैसेज बोलो क्या बोला मैंने
Message. Pin number.
पिन नंबर okay so somebody will do active attack in between so he will do what active attack so I am sending pin number 1234 suppose I am sending my bank pin number 1234 somebody will do active attack what he will do now I'm sending to Barbie
Yes,
1234 somebody will do active attack well he will do he will modify and Barbie will receive what 1234
yes,
or something else
something else.
something else once Barbie receives something else okay she will definitely inform me or she will try to log in using that 1234 but she will unable to log in when she unable to log in she will definitely inform me that what you were saying that is not correct it's wrong yes So then I will ask, what you
Yes.
received? Barbie will tell 1, 2, 5, 6. Then I will tell that I'm not send this. I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then I will know, and you also know that somebody is altered my message. That means some attacks happen in between. Okay. Then what I'll do? I will send the password of the ATM card immediately because I already got to know that somebody know my password. Is it clear to you, all of you, up to this?
Yes. Yes.
Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? तुमको पता चल गया क्या
Yes, sir.
कि अटैक हुआ है? मुझे भी
Yes.
पता चल गया, सेंडर रिसीवर को पता चल गया। ठीक है, तो क्या किया मैंने? पता जब चला तो मैंने पिन
Yes.
कोड और मेरा पिन कोड चेंज कर दिया। तो अभी जो अटैकर था उसको पता नहीं चलेगा क्या चेंज
Change.
किया मैंने। ठीक है, इज इट ओके?
Yes.
Okay, now, so I'm again
Yes, sir.
sending 1, 2, 3, 4, but new. Now I'm sending 5, 6, 7, 8 new password, my new password, and somebody will do passive attack now in my new password. I'm sending that is wrong. Somebody attack. I'm sending my password. My new password is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm again sending to Barbie. Okay, but this time somebody do passive attack, not active. So Barbie will receive what? I sent 5, 6, 7, 8. Barbie will receive what? Somebody is doing passive attack in between.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. You will inform me anything earlier like inactive attacks are I did not able to access. You inform me, then I send the password. But this time you will send. You receive the same thing. What have I sent? Right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So you
sir.
don't think to inform that you'll just access and you'll do your work by using my password. But I don't know something
Hmm.
modification happen. You also don't know something modification is happen or something somebody captured my pin code. So that attacker might be also access my information,
It's
also access
not
my ATM card. But I don't ever. You also don't ever. So now tell me which one is dangerous. Now write all of you in the chat box. Which one is dangerous according
passive.
to you? Write in the chat box. All of you, if it's clear to you. Is it clear now why passive is more dangerous than active?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you? So that was madam
Yes.
mistake at that time, but unknown mistake. Okay? So those who
Yes.
absent today, they will again think active attack is more dangerous. But actually passive is more dangerous. I'm explain with the example. Example is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now onwards, if somebody asks, if somebody you may ask those friends, those who absent today also, and try to correct them with the same example. Can you do it? Those who absent today will talk with you. Okay? So make them correct that basic method is more dangerous than the activity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anyone any doubt still?
Yes, sir.
Still somebody thinking active is more dangerous? Anyone who think active is still dangerous than the passive? So तुम लोग का क्लास में कोई अगर पेसिव फ्रेंड है, फ्रेंड पता है ना, तुम लोग का क्लासमेट वो ज्यादा डेंजरस है। एक्टिव एक्टिव तो फाइट करेगा डायरेक्ट, है ना। जो तुम्हारे साथ झगड़ा करेगा डायरेक्ट, उससे
Yes,
तुम
sir.
उससे तुम हमेशा बच के रहोगे कि ये मार सकता है मुझे अकेले मिलने से। ठीक है। तो क्या करेगा, उसको बचने के लिए तुम बॉडीगार्ड सब रखोगे कि हिमांशु से बच के रहो, वो पैसिव है। ठीक है।
Yes.
हाँ। और जो एक्टिव है उससे डर नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके सामने जाने से मैं बॉडीगार्ड लेके जाऊंगा, मार सकता है, इसलिए मैं एक तगड़ा सा लड़का अपने पास लेके जाऊंगा, सो दैट ही कैन प्रोटेक्ट। बट जो पेशिव है हिमांशु, वो पता नहीं कब मारेगा तुमको। ठीक है ना हिमांशु। और है क्या कोई? सम और एक्टिव बोलोगे किसे? पेशिव है क्या कोई, और कोनिका है क्या पेशिव?
No, sir.
बर्डर हो सकता है, वो पूरा पेशिव ही है, आसपास कुछ बोला भी नहीं लिखा भी नहीं, वही शायद पेशिव। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे। सेंड your attendance in WhatsApp. Okay, thank thank you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.